can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at Solana with a market cap of over $60 billion. Solana currently trades above $128. In a hypothetical bull market, how high can Solana go in the next 1 year, in the next 18 months? We have a lot of Solana bulls right now, a lot of expectations. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Solana US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame, trying to speculate how high Solana can go in the nearest future. Also look at Solana's market cap chart, take a look at this altcoin season index, and we'll look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, the sentiments are down. Let's get down to business. The last 1 month has seen Solana lose around 16% of its value. The last 1 month has seen huge losses in the altcoin market. But the good news is that, guys, on a yearly time frame, if you bought Solana this time last year, you are up 632%. Huge gains, huge returns. Solana has been one of the biggest gainers in this cycle. Solana has rallied up by 632%. We have other coins that are up 800%, 600%, 7,000%. But the king of the market, Bitcoin, is basically up 119%. Ethereum is almost negative on a year-to-year basis. So if you bought Solana, you are greatly outperforming Bitcoin. You are greatly outperforming Ethereum. The million-dollar question is, are you going to continue outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum in the future? It's always nice to think about the future. It's always nice to think what can possibly happen, what can possibly go right, and what can possibly go wrong. A brief history of Solana. Solana was launched way back in 2020. Solana went from less than $1 in the public market, rallying up to as high as $260. The last bull market in 2021, Solana was a darling of many. We had Sam pushing Solana. We had a lot of big whales supporting Solana. Solana gave us a big pump. The $1,000 invested in Solana on the 4th of May 2020 would have given you over $500,000 on the 1st of May 2021. That's how outrageous altcoins can pump when the market gets going. But the downside to them pumping aggressively to the moon is that when the market gets dumping, they also have huge dumps gobbling town. In the case of Solana, experiencing its first bear market, we saw Solana losing 96% of its value, and this happened in the course of 413 days. Huge pumps comes in the market, huge dump also comes in the market. And right now, from the $8 level, Solana has gotten to as high as $128. First-time investors in Solana are happy. A lot of market participants are very glad they avoided Ethereum, they avoided Bitcoin, they went all in on Solana. There was a lot of signs that Solana would have pumped this high. It looked like Ethereum from the previous cycle. But guys, what if Solana has stopped? What if Solana is getting ready for a huge dump to gobbling town? I know this is not going to be a popular opinion in the market, but let's ask ourselves that million-dollar question. If we see a huge dump in Bitcoin that raises Bitcoin down 50% from where we're currently trading, if we see a huge dump that takes Ethereum down 50% on the stock market, how low can Solana go? I'm sure a lot of people are not ready for that answer. But again, there's always that possibility that we can see a huge pump to the moon. Now, that huge pump to the moon can carry Solana above the previous all-time highs. We might see Solana getting to $500, $600. My favorite tool to use to get exactly where most of these altcoins can go because of how aggressive they are is the Fibonacci retracement tools. It shows us key levels where we might probably see difficulties if we're rallying to higher prices. And from the Fibonacci retracement tool, the maximum level we should expect to see Solana in this cycle, if that happens, should be around the $1,100 level. Remember, guys, there's no guarantees that any of these price points will hit. There's no guarantees that we're going to see any of this pump anytime soon. This is all just pure speculation. For where we're currently trading, so now we need to rally up by 751% to get to that $1,100 level. And what I mean, if you're a smart investor, you would have gotten Solana at $8 and sold at $1,000. You would have gotten the 131x return. But guys, the other question to ask yourself is, if you had bought some Solana at $8 and right now Solana is trading around $128, wouldn't you be selling for some sweet profit? I believe you would, and I believe that's what the smart investors, the smart whales that bought Solana down here between $8 to $15, I believe that's what they have been doing over the last 6 months, and that's why Solana has had difficulties rallying to new all-time highs. We've seen Solana trading around the $128 level way back in February 2026. Over the last 6 months, it has teased us. It has gotten to as high as $210. But basically, Solana has gone sideways for around 192 days. And my instinct is telling me, guys, I don't think that is accumulation, reaccumulation to pump to higher prices. I think Solana is undergoing a massive distribution. And I believe in the nearest future, even though Solana might be very bullish, even though we might see Solana eventually get to that $1,000 level, maybe when Bitcoin gets to $100,000, Ethereum trading at $10,000, I believe we're going to see Solana actually getting to that $1,000 level. But in the next 18 months, don't be shocked to see a huge dump in Solana. A lot of investors got into Solana late. They didn't get in 2021. They got in maybe in 2023 when Solana was already above $63, $70. Or whether you even bought Solana at the $17 level, and right now we are still up around 634%. Remember, guys, sometimes it's very detrimental to your portfolio for you to overestimate the pump and underestimate the dump. From a sentiment perspective, right now is a good time to be accumulating for a short-term pump. The fear and greed index tells us there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, which historically has been a good time to accumulate. And the altcoin season index is collecting telling us that right now we're not in alt season. Right now, all coins are not outperforming Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is outperforming all coins. Bitcoin is down 21% over the last 90 days. We have a whole bunch of altcoins down from 21% to around 50%. In the nearest future, I believe we'll see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. Solana is already down 17% in the last 3 months. Bitcoin is showing some signs of weakness. The altcoin market might have one final rally. But guys, it would be very interesting to see whether Solana can rally above its all-time highs from where we're currently trading right now. Solana will have to give us around a 100% pump to get back to its previous all-time highs. The Fed is going to cut rates very soon. Historically, that has not been good for the market. Historically, after the Fed starts cutting rates, we're going to see a huge dump. And remember, the crypto market is very volatile. If we see the stock market dumping 50+%, I don't think we'll see the crypto market blasting to the moon or Solana heading towards $1,000. I think we might probably see Solana heading to Goblin Town. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you a soul bull or a soul bear? Do you expect Solana to continue pumping to the moon? Yes. Tell me which price you'll be selling for some sweet profit. If you're a bear, accumulating some cash, expecting to buy when we go to Goblin Town, tell me, how low will Solana go before you start deploying your cash? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.